Hello, hola, konnichiwa. Welcome to Live with M&A. So today's video is a family day. Me and my family decided to go play racquetball. So it is our first time. We don't really know the rules, but we're gonna give it a try. So as you can see, we came in a little white room. This is a racket we're using. And the little white room had two windows and double layer glass. It was pretty interesting. So it's my husband and my son, Art, and that's me. So here we go. Come on, little Art. So my experience with this sport, I love it. It's a great workout. You do have to be careful because you are gonna get hit and it hurts. So if you have little ones that go play with you, just let them know you're gonna get hit. Don't cry. It's a really fun sport and I really recommend it for rainy days, for the moms out there that wanna have a good workout and have fun with their kids at the same time. So when you play the sport, you can get the rackets, the ball. If you don't have them, you can rent them. They also give you protection for your eyes, just in case you get hit in the face, which you will. It's a very fast sport, but I am standing around. It's our first time, so I'm letting little Art play. There he goes. Oh, he misses the ball. But he had a great time. So we are definitely gonna do this again. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I hope you like it, and there will be more videos coming up. I know it's been a while. I'm not really good with the audio yet. I have to practice my voice and stuff like that. So thank you for watching.